Instructions for Night CreamApply Cream to clean, dry skin nightly before bed. For best results, layer this product with your other anti-aging products, like your Coui Serum.Ingredients ListWater, Simmondsia Chinensis, jojoba, seed oil, hydroxyethyl acrylate / SodiumAcryloyldimethyl Taurate Copolymer, squalene, C12, lactobacillus / Kelp Ferment Filtrate, bioferment, niacinamide, polysorbate 60, sorbitol, butylene glycol, Glyceryl Stearate, Cetyl Alcohol, Retinyl Acetate, Hydrolyzed Collagen, allantoin, carnosine, C14-22 Alcohols, C12-20 Alkyl Glucoside, Stearyl Alcohol. Sesamum Indicum, sesame, seed oil, Prunus Amygdalus Dulcis, sweet almond, seed oil, Persea Gratissima, avocado, oil, Punica Granatum, pomegranate, seed oil, tocotrienols, tocopherols, astaxanthin, lycopene, xanthophyll, R-alpha lipoic acid, beta-carotene. Sodium hyaluronate, Palmitoyl Pentapeptide-3, Citric Acid, Xanthan Gum, Potassium Sorbate, phenoxyethanol, Caprylyl GlycolCOUI Skincare products offer the highest quality and most effective natural anti-aging serums and creams. COUI founder, Alessandra Poletti, handpicks all of the natural ingredients that go into each product. Each ingredient is always the finest and freshest nature has to offer at COUI. We believe that a high-quality, effective skincare collection doesn't necessarily have to be at a premium price point. We believe everyone should experience luxury treatment without the luxury price tag when it comes to the importance of your skin, unlike other skincare companies who guarantee their products for only 30 or 60 days. All of COUI skincare products are backed by 100% lifetime satisfaction guarantee. COUI wants you to be totally happy and not a drop less. Just ask one of the 1,000 soft loyal COUI customers. Experience what the COUI skincare line has to offer and transform your skin to become the best it can be. You have finally found the ultimate anti-aging night cream. Our scientifically formulated blend is fortified with active ingredients that work all night long to improve your skin's texture while visibly reducing the appearance of fine lines and pores, so wake up refreshed. Lightens, tightens, and brightens while restoring skin. Premium natural ingredients produce stunning results. Retinol promotes synthesis of collagen to restore elasticity and tighten skin while reducing the appearance of fine lines and cleansing and tightening pores. Perfect formula for all skin types, including yours. Even the most sensitive skin benefits from this powerful hydrating, regenerating, anti-aging cream that reduces acne and uneven texture while visibly reducing signs of aging as it rejuvenates stressed skin. Experience COUI's unique drop of love. World-renowned biochemist and skincare expert Dr. Civic and her team deliver a precise scientifically formulated blend, overflowing with high-potency anti-aging ingredients so your skin's radiance shines from the inside out. Ultimate value for your daily routine. You deserve the best. Try COUI Skincare Retinol Night Cream to see the results. We believe in our exceptional products and have developed them to work together to become your new, trusted go-to skincare line. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available this product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.